Hey guys, it's Mary. Last week I received the Simon Says Stamp Club order for August, and it's called Vintage Garden. I'm pretty excited about this one from what I've seen. So let's take a look. All right, so comes with one of their bags. This one's pink. I love their bags. They're so good for any kind of storage. And look, what do we have here? We have ultra fine silver embossing powder. I've already taken the piece of candy out because you know it likes to attract ants. All right, so let's get into it. Oh, did I just knock you guys over? Let me look. Nope, I guess you guys are good. All right, so along with the silver embossing powder, it comes with their clear embossing and watermark ink pad, so that's nice. I've never tried theirs. So let's go this way. Oh, uh-oh, we're in trouble now. A silver metallic envelope and a kind of pearly metallic lavender. All right, so we've got some little foam dots. We've got embossing folder. It's called Picnic Floral. It's got all kinds of different flowers and sizes of flowers. That's going to be pretty. It's not a 3D, so it's just a regular. All right, so let's card panels in like a medium gray, A2 size. Oh my goodness, look at how pretty this paper is. Look at how pretty this is. Whoops. That one's so pretty. That's the other side. This one's got butterflies on it. These evidently came from a pad because they're still tucked together. Little purple vines. This one's got a little bird in the branch. Little butterflies. This one is pretty. You can barely see. It's got some purple in it. Some yellow. And this says Creeping Thistle Field. I was thinking it was, must be flowers. Wild yam. Bluebell. Yeah. Now this is pretty. And you can't feel it, but it definitely looks like it's three-dimensional. The way they've, there's like a shimmer to the glass bell jars. And there's the jars again. Kind of wildflowers. Oh, this one's pretty. It's kind of dark, but I like it. And then it's the same thing, only in a lighter color. Okay. Dragonflies. And then a bunch dragonflies. And then more wild flowers. So those are really, really pretty. And those come from, let me see, what does it say? It's their Craft Consortium Wildflower Meadows 6x6 double-sided paper. Look at how pretty that one is. So this is your idea sheet. Yeah, it's pretty. Then there's the cardstock. There's that lavender color, white, and rose gold in a mirror card. Very nice. And so let's see the stamp set. They always have the best stamp sets. Oh, look at how pretty this is. My goodness. It says, thanks, thinking of you with sympathy. You are my sunshine. For being kind for everything is not enough. Thank you. So you'll mix and match, like thank you is not enough. Thanks for being kind. Thanks for everything. Thank you for everything. It's got some butterflies, and these are just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. This stamp set is called Vintage Garden. These are just so pretty. And these are the flowers that they've used on this card. And they used it just in black on this one. This is this one here. And this is this one here. And then it looks like they turned this one on its side over here. And then added some butterflies. So pretty. And this one's just simple. They just did a piece of one of the papers, and then watermarked with a little leaf there. And here they've taken the stamps and colored them in. So very, very pretty. All right, so that is it. Vintage Garden. Yep, Vintage Garden. I think this is going to be a really classy, classic one. And I like the idea that it has the thinking of you, sympathy, and thanks. You are my sunshine. It can be used for all different occasions. So that's really, really a nice idea. And the flowers are just, they're beautiful, but they're subtle. They don't, overdo. So I think this is perfect. I love this one. Love this one. And it's, when I checked, it was still available if anybody's interested. I don't get anything if you buy, but I'd like you to know if you're interested, it's available. So, all right, so that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate any time that you spend on the channel. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate it. If you're thinking about it, you can hit that subscribe button, and you can hit the bell, and it'll give you notifications. Also, hitting that like button is a wonderful thing. YouTube loves it. I love it to see it, and I appreciate it so much. So if you've got this kit, leave me a comment in comments. If you belong, get them every month, or you just get one-offs, let me know. Yeah, that's it. All right, so till next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy camping. Seriously, I don't even like camping. Happy crafting. Have a good one. Bye-bye.